Today, I am going to show you how to make
pan-fried kale with garlic and ginger.
If you want to see how they make the easy meal, please click subscribe and bell icon. Then let's see together. Thank you.
Hey, you're welcome back for another video. If you are new to the Easy Food for DIY, I'm glad to have you here and visit. Now we jump to our topics today. Of all the healthy greens, kale is the king of vegetables.
It is definitely the most nutritious plant food. Kale contains all kind of useful compounds. I know sometimes it might be hard to eat certain vegetables, but just know kale greens can benefit you a lot.
Let's make some flavorful kale that tastes good.